For most of the tutorial from now, we will use the browser console to write JavaScript statements, because that way we can quickly test our code snippets. All major browsers provide some way of REPL style console, which stands for Read Eval Print Loop. REPL is a simple interactive programming environment like the console, which we will see in a minute. This environment reads expressions or input that we type in, evaluates it, prints its value, and it does that in a loop. That is, we can keep inputting data or expressions and the environment keeps reading, evaluating, and printing the values. So let's see how to use the browser's JavaScript console. If you are using the Google Chrome browser, you can select the menu from this right-hand top corner, select Tools, and then select JavaScript console. Or alternatively, you may press Ctrl-Shift-J. You should be able to see the JavaScript console window. And we can type in JavaScript statements that get executed when we hit Enter. Alternatively, we can just use console.log to log the values of variables and expressions right here on the console window rather than alerting and having to close the dialog box every time. If we want to clear up the console, we can press Ctrl L or execute the clear function like so. If you are using Internet Explorer, you can press the F12 button to bring up the Developers Tools window. Select the Scripts tab. On the right hand side console pane, you can type in the commands. For ease, let's use the multi-line mode. Let's first use the alert statement and then console.log. We can use the Run Script button to run all the JavaScript statements that we have written here. In case you are using Firefox, you can go to the Tools menu. Well, if you don't see the menu bar, just hit the Alt button to bring it up. Go to Tools, Web Developer, and select Web Console. Or you can press Ctrl-Shift-K to get the Web Console window. You can type your JavaScript statements in this text area. Or if you want to write multi-line expressions or functions, you may choose to use the scratch pad. I will be using Google Chrome's console window for this tutorial. So let me get back to that.